let us continue the topic mathematical expectation. Okay. Now we are discussing the expectation of a function of random variable. Okay. That is expectation of a function, that is we consider x a random variable with a PDF f of x, and we assume phi of x to be a function of x. Okay. Then we need expectation of phi of x. It is equal to sigma over x phi of x into f of x if x is discrete. Sigma over x phi of x into f of x is f of x if x is discrete. That is simply expectation of x equal to sigma over x into f of x, like so. Okay. And in the continuous case, the function becomes, it is defined as equal to integral minus infinity to infinity phi of x, the function, into f of x dx if x is continuous. So that expectation of x is defined as integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. If it is expectation of x square, it becomes integral minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx, and so on. So for the definition part, the condition is provided the sum or the integral is absolutely convergent. Okay, we know the definition. Okay. Now we consider the particular cases for phi of x. That is, if phi of x equal to x raised to r, phi of x equal to x raised to r, we get mu r dash equal to expectation of x raised to r, which is defined as the rth row moment of x. That is the rth moment about 0, which is known as the rth row moment of x. Okay. That is x mu r dash equal to expectation of x raised to r. Okay. Then if phi of x equal to x minus a whole raised to r, we get mu r dash a, which is defined as expectation of x minus a whole raised to r, which is the rth moment about the point A. When a equal to 0, we get mu r dash. It is the rth row moment of x. Okay, and so on. Putting r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., we get the required ones. Okay. Now, if phi of x equal to x minus mu 1 dash whole raised to r, this function as the mu r is defined as expectation of x minus mu 1 dash whole raised to r. This is called the rth central moment of x. That is the rth moment about mu r, expectation of x minus mu 1 dash whole raised to r, which is called the rth central moment of x. That is rth moment about me, rth moment about me. So that we know, okay, here mu r dash equal to expectation of x raised to r, so that we get r equal to 0, which is mu naught dash, and we know mu naught dash, it is written as expectation of x raised to 0. R equal to 0 implies mu naught dash equal to expectation of x raised to 0 equal to 1. R equal to 1, here we get the first row moment is mu 1 dash equal to expectation of x. R equal to 2, we get mu 2 dash equal to expectation of x square, and so defined mu 3 dash as equal to expectation of x cube, and mu 4 dash as equal to expectation of x raised to 4. Okay, that is r equal to 1. This mu 1 dash is expectation of x, which is defined as the mean of the random variable x. mu1 dash equal to expectation of x. It is the mean of the random variable x. Mean equal to expectation of x equal to mu1 dash. So in the discrete case, we know the difference for the discrete and continuous random variables. We know mu1 dash equal to expectation of x. So equal to sigma over x, x into f of x. So mu1 dash expectation of x raised to r as sigma over x, x raised to r f of x. Okay, and in the continuous case, it becomes integral minus infinity to infinity x raised to r into f of x dx in the continuous case. So, in the discrete case, we proceed mu r dash by expectation of x raised to r as equal to sigma over x, x raised to r into f of x. And in the continuous case, we proceed it as integral minus infinity to infinity x raised to r into f of x dx. Okay, this function expectation of x minus mu1 dash whole raised to r, which is represented as mu r. Okay, it is called the rth central moment of x, and which is the rth moment about me. And here it is mu r dash a, that is about a, expectation of x minus a whole raised to r. In this definition, a equal to 0, we get mu r dash, and a equal to mu1 dash, which implies mu r. That is, this is the basic definition. Phi of x equal to x minus a whole raised to r, which is defined as the rth moment about a. So, rth moment about 0 is the raw moment of x, and rth moment about main is the central moment of x. We will discuss this in detail, okay, later. Okay, now we consider the properties of expectation. The properties of expectation, firstly, if x is a random variable and a and b are two constants, then expectation of, if x is a, properties of expectation. Okay, if x is a random variable, first one, if x is a random variable and with PDF f of x, it is understood with PDF f of x, and a and b are constants, a and b are constants, then expectation of a into phi of x plus b equal to a into phi of x plus b equal to a into expectation of phi of x plus b. Okay, provided the expectation exists. Expectation of a into phi of x plus b equal to a into expectation of phi of x plus b, provided the expectation exists. Okay, for the proof we consider the continuous case. So that let x be a continuous random variable with the PDF f of x, and if we assume the interval minus infinity less than x less than infinity, so that we can write expectation of a into phi of x plus b can be written as integral minus infinity to infinity a into phi of x plus b, the function, okay, into f of x dx. So we can split the integral as integral minus infinity to infinity a into phi of x into f of x dx. So the constant a can be taken out of integration. A into integral minus infinity to infinity phi of x into f of x dx plus b into integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx. Using the property of expectation, we know this equal to 1. Okay. So hence we can write this as a into expectation of phi of x, isn't it? Integral minus infinity to infinity phi of x f of x dx can be written as expectation of phi of x. So here a taken out. So plus b into, as we know, integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1 using the property of property of the random variable, the PDF. Okay, that is we have expectation of a into phi of x plus b equal to the result is a into expectation of phi of x plus b. So that we get as a corollary, we get what if phi of x equal to x, we get expectation of a into x plus b equal to a into expectation of x plus b. The proof is similar. Here we replace phi of x by x, so that we get this result. Okay. Now if b equal to 0, we get expectation of a into x equal to a into expectation of x. That is simply expectation of 2x equal to 2 into expectation of x. And expectation of z equal to z. The proof is all these proofs are similar to this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. We get 3 corollaries. That is expectation of ax plus b equal to a into expectation of x plus b. Expectation of ax equal to a into expectation of x, and expectation of c equal to c. The next property of expectation is the very familiar result for two random variables x and y. Expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y, which is called the addition theorem of expectation. That is, we continue the properties. Expected number 2, if x and y are two random variables, then expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y, provided all the expectations exist. Okay, provided all the expectations exist. That is, for the proof we prove this result by using the bivariate random variable. So we consider the continuous case. That is, we assume x and y as to let x and y be two continuous random variables. Okay, with the PDF, we consider the joint PDF f of x, y. The joint PDF f of x, y throughout the interval minus infinity to infinity for x and minus infinity to infinity for y. Okay, the joint PDF f of x, y. And we know the marginal PDF, that is f1x. It is the marginal PDF of x. It is defined as equal to integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dy. Okay, in order to get the marginal distribution of x, we have to integrate f of x y with respect to y. That is, it is called the marginal distribution of x. Marginal PDF of x. Okay, and similarly we get f2y as equal to integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dx. So it is when we integrate this function with respect to, let me write it here, f2y is defined as integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dx. Okay, we are integrating with respect to x, so that the function will be a function of y alone, which is called the marginal PDF It is the marginal PDF of y. Okay, so here we consider the bivariate probability function f of x y, which is defined for both x and y over the interval minus infinity to infinity, and we have the marginal distributions of x and y as f1 x equal to integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dy, and f2 y equal to integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx. Now we consider expectation of x plus y as equal to double integral minus infinity to infinity integral minus infinity to infinity, okay, x plus y the function, okay, into the joint PDF f of x y with respect to both x and y. Expectation of x plus y is defined as integral minus infinity to infinity integral minus infinity to infinity the double integral x plus y into f of x y dx dy. Okay, now simply we split the integral to 2 integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x y dx dy, x into f of x y dx dy plus double integral minus infinity to infinity y into f of x y dx dy. Now for the first integral, we consider integral minus infinity to infinity x into, we take the inner integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dy. So x is taken out, so dx, okay. Integral minus, keep the order, integral minus infinity to infinity x into integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dx into d, f of x y dy into dx plus, so here integral minus infinity to infinity, the term y is here, so that we integrate integral minus infinity to infinity, here it is f of x y dx into dy, okay, and we have these results I have written here. So we get this as integral minus infinity to infinity x into f1 x dx, the marginal distribution of x, plus integral minus infinity to infinity y f2 y gy. So that this becomes that as, which implies expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y. Okay, take care here, expectation of x plus y, so and so. Okay, yes, now we consider the next property, which is the multiplication theorem of expectation. I have to write if x and y. I have to write, this is known as property 2, it is the addition theorem. The addition theorem of expectation. Very important result, expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y. Now we move on to the multiplication theorem. Okay, so that the result is, the result states that provided x and y are independent random variables, expectation of x y equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. That is the multiplication theorem, third property. Okay, which states that if x and y are two independent random variables, independent random variables. Only under the condition independent, the theorem, the result exists. Okay. Then expectation of x into y equal to expectation of x into expectation of y, provided all the expectations exist. All the expectations exist. As in the previous case, we consider the continuous random variable x and y. Proof. X and y, two continuous random variables with a joint PDF. Okay, with a joint PDF, f of x, y. What are the conditions? Over the range minus infinity to plus infinity for both the x and y. Okay, now we have the marginal distribution of x as f1x equal to integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dy, and f2y equal to integral minus infinity to infinity f of x y dx. We assume the case the variables are independent, and if x and y are independent, the result is x and y are independent random variables. Then the result is f of x y, the joint PDF, equal to f1x into f2y, the marginal PDF. F of x y equal to f1x into f2y when x and y are independent. Okay. So now simply we write expectation of x y as equal to integral minus infinity to infinity, integral minus infinity to infinity x y f of x y dx dy. Now simply we write integral minus infinity to infinity, double integral, okay, x y into, we can write this as using the property f1x into f2y into dx dy, okay. So that this can be written as integral minus infinity to infinity x f1x dx into integral minus infinity to infinity y f2y dy whenever x and y are x and y are independent. We can write this integral as a product of the factors integral minus infinity to infinity x into f1x dx into integral minus infinity to infinity y into f2y dy, that is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. So, the two very important properties of expectation are the addition theorem and multiplication theorem of expectation. Okay, addition theorem is expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y, and multiplication theorem is expectation of x y equal to expectation of x into expectation of y if x and y are independent. The result can be extended to any number of random variables. Okay, if x and y are independent, the result can be extended to any number of random variables. Okay, thank you very much.